perfect.
Oh yeah, it is perfect.
That's crazy. This never happens to me.
What
That is perfect. So I kind of messed up. I thought these were gonna hold the dowels on instead of these. And this is a bigger diameter than this. So these kind of dance around in the hole a little bit, but thankfully the head is still big enough where it'll be able to bite. I'll be able to countersink them. It'll bite. It won't be able to pull all the way through because you got 3/4 inch wood, so it won't be able to pull itself all the way through. And this side will still be able to go into the dowel. So let's get the correct size holes, pilot holes drilled into the dowels, and keep going. All right, so this is going to be the ladder section of the triangle, and I have to get all these in here somehow. Marcel's going to help me. I don't know how we're going to do it yet, but we'll fumble through it and get it done. So let's bring him in here. All right. So, you want to help me get all these together? All right, so we gotta have these two sides go together. We'll do, let's see which side is the bad side. I don't really know how to do this, but this first one, I might be okay. Hold that side over there. Oh, your head. I can't see. Might be harder than I thought. I had to take a break, guys, and drill some pilot holes. Hopefully they're big enough. One down, 6 more to go. Not really sure how or when it happened, but I lost a video of me cutting out the clouds for the climbing wall, and I had video of me tying the ropes for the rope climbing side. So I only was able to work with the video from the ladder side. So sorry about that, guys. So this thing was my first time making this. It was pretty fun. So if you're a beginner woodworker like me, don't be scared to do stuff. Just get it over with, get the experience, move on to the next project. I wouldn't mind making another one of these. There were some flaws that I would probably work out, but for the most part, I had fun making it. You know, my son helped me out. Thanks, Marcel. And Savannah loves it. So I think it'll probably be around here for a while. See y'all next time.